Hello guys, I'm Heikki and today I'm going to show you the power upgrade kit for the KTM 85 and the Husqvarna 85. First I will start with the cylinder head. It's a well-known product. It's completely CNC machined and it has a better water flow to keep the temperature consistent over the whole race. Very important is of course the insert. We have 3 different inserts with a different volume. So you can go from high compression to mid compression and low compression. These inserts are different than the normal inserts because the standard engine has a dome piston and we use in the kit a special flat top piston with a 12-degree angle. So this must be used as a set. Another advantage we have is with the crankshaft. We make a really high performance crankshaft. It has a high inertia and a little changed balance factor. The big advantage of this is it helps the engine from mid to top, and most riders in the national championships and the European championships, they like this product. There are also engines that have a little bit problems with losing oil. Therefore we make an oil air vent, so the pressure of the crankcase with the gearbox can go out and then you don't have this problem anymore. Another great product for the performance is the HES exhaust systems, which will give you more power from the whole range from bottom to top. There are 3 different silencers available in aluminium, blue and orange. And we have also the V-Force recase. Standard one is similar, but after a while you need to replace this for the best performance. Thank you for watching and see you next time with another power upgrade kit.